Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you how to find the fuse for the front right headlight. That's the low beam headlight on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2000. And 2017, guys. If your headlight, the low beam doesn't work, okay, this is the low beam side. On the right side, we will demonstrate how to find the fuse and replace it. Of course, it could be a bulb as well, but first thing I always do, I check the fuses and then I go to the bulbs. So let's go ahead and do that now. So what we'll need to do, guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it, of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other, okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers, okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So once you remove the cap, you can see the fuses printed on the back side, and fuse number 23 is for the right hand side low beams, okay, and this is actually, okay, 15 amp fuse in our case, okay. Pull it out and you can always check the fuses, okay. When you look at them, you can see the metal piece inside. If it's broken, it looks burned somewhere, the fuse is bad. So you just go ahead, install new fuse, okay, and that will be, guys, pretty much the whole video. If it's on the right hand side, it's a different fuse. So let's go ahead and test it quick to see if it works now. Okay. Yep, it works. Amazing. So thank you guys for watching. More than 200 videos coming on the car. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.